We're on.
Your turn.
This is weird now, doesn't it?
All right, what's going on at YouTube? So if you watched the last video, first of all, apologies if you wear headphones because the audio was all fucked up. Now, we had it set on stereo on the DJI, and I was talking in your left ear, and Liam was talking in your right ear. I mean, it might be a little bit kinky for some people, but you know, we have not got the accents.
ASMR.
We've not got ASMR voices. But yeah, we sorted it out this time. We've set it to mono, so if you wear your headphones on this video, you should be nailed on. Right, today's plan is...
What we're doing, the
chassis. So we've moved it next to the ramp just for lighting purposes, basically. We're going to get it on axle stands.
You still not fit them lights yet?
No, well, Liam, he's too scared to go up there. And
going up there, mate. It's about 8 metres. If anyone's good on the ladders at 8 metres, give me a shout. You can fit these lights.
You can come down the garage and we will turn your car into a project as well.
Yeah.
And then you've got to go up on the roof.
You've got to go up on the roof, mate.
But yeah, today's plan is, ideally, we'll have this chassis completely stripped so that we can see what we're working with, and then we can tee up getting it sent away to be dipped and stuff like that. But we've got plenty to do before we get to that stage. So we'll set up the time lapse on top of the container and we'll crack on.
Let's do it.
All right, update then. So rear suspension wise, we are all off. Drive shaft's out, exhaust is off, and the manifold's still on, but we can get away with keeping that on. Shocks, springs, all that good stuff. I think the only thing left before we pull the engine will be to take the lines off this oil cooler, because it goes to the filter housing around there. We're working on the rear end first, because when we put in axle stands, we didn't even need to jack the front end, we just picked it up, because obviously most of the weight on this is over the back end. So oil cooler off, engine out, and then we'll start on the front end. Right, engine is out. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. That was an absolute ball ache, wasn't it, Liam?
That was.
So, mainly because this is the straps we were using down here. Obviously, you can't adjust them. We normally use chains and like, what do you call it? Like an engine leveler, innit?
Yeah, where you twist it in it.
Yeah, mainly because this is the engine. The gearbox ends up right under this frame at the back here. So you have to tilt the front of the engine like quite high and then pull it over at the centre of the chassis. But we got there in the end, mate. It's out now.
Yeah, man.
So we're going to call it a day on this video, mainly because that just took us a bit longer than we expected.
A bit, yeah.
And then what we'll do is, next time we're on it, it'll just be basically now, take all the extra bits that are left on the chassis and we can look at getting the chassis sent away. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. I hope the audio is a little bit better and we've sorted that out. And we will see you on the next one.